already. So, as you can see, things are out. Dashboard is out of the way. This is an absolute travesty. This is wrong with me. Let's fix this damn thing.
This might be the one time I'm speechless.
I know what you're thinking, and you're right. It's horrible. But after all that catastrophe, I got the engine harness out, so that's... I already stripped that down and cut things like off that harness. I have to clean it up and actually make a mount for the fuse box and just unfiddle fart some of these wires that are just going all over the goddamn place. But a lot of it actually isn't horrible. Like connectors, because I was gonna, there's a ground to make the light up or something for the fog light switch or whatever. This is labeled to go across. Some stuff just goes across and I don't have a plug, so I'm gonna fix some of that. This is a lot better. This is moist better. Yeah, something that's for the wipers. But believe it or not, this is actually we're in a very good position here. This is all the stuff I need for the dash panel for all the stuffs. And then this all already has plugs on it to go plug into things. This is a few other doodly bops and dingly things that I have labeled. The data port tees into this right here, which obviously I'm going to clean this up. This I don't just... Holy shit, I don't know how this thing worked. Okay, cool. So, yeah. To get out of my way is these bit of relays. This is okay. So these are wires I actually get rid of because I have sub harnesses with the glow shift gauges I got. So this I can actually thin this down even more. God help me, what did I do? So because this is for oil sending and something else. Oil pressure and temperature sensor, but I don't need this harness because I have new harness with the kit, so I'm just going to use that. So this can actually go, this goes into the car and can actually get pulled out. This is for the starter. I didn't have a plug at the other end. That was just ran all the way to the starter solenoid, so this needs to be definitely not that any longer. It's looking like I need to put a small fuse box right here. Just a small one to catch some things here. Like relay power Oh, these are for my high beam setup. Okay, that makes sense. And then that's just 12 volt. Anyway, yeah, like I said, I gotta undo a little bit of the stuff right here. This is supposed to be for the horns, I believe. Yeah, it's supposed. Oh yeah, the horns did work. This is supposed to be for the horns, but that's not. Yeah, that's not how it's supposed to be. So it's on there. Like I'm trying to rip it off, and it's not coming off. So I'm actually kind of surprised at that. A lot of this stuff I just unplugged, but yeah, I'm gonna move this harness and stuff out of the way, and then figure out how to take that out of the way. I'm gonna take that brake booster out. It's gotta go. Hi kids, a little bit of an update. This was not okay. Don't do what I did. Do what I'm about to do. So, decided to rip off some of the sound, heat deadening, and rediscovered my stupidity. So this is all gonna get fixed. I'm gonna like cut the whole firewall, this tunnel piece, basically around where I cut regardless, but where there's a seam weld anyway. So I'm gonna cut that and do that there. Maybe it's time to do a master cylinder too. I'll do a slave and a master. So I'll take the master out, and I'll take the gas pedal out entirely, and I will end up cutting that assembly off because I'm going with a more basic design. That way I can I can use it easier. It's pretty bunk right now. Let me take that pedal off a little bit, cut some more of that sound deadening off, and I see the clip to remove the whole pedal, so I'm going to do that too, the rod. And then I'm not really sure how to do. Never taken a brake master cylinder off, guys. So I don't know what I'm doing here. It looks like a clip. There's no way that's just a clip that pushes down. No way. No way, buddy. Well, you know, with this puny little, holy shit, it really is. Well, I'm gonna get a bigger screwdriver and I'm gonna clip that off. I guess that's all you do. That seems safe. destroyed everything. So, cleaned up over there. Over here, got the brake booster out. I gotta take the master cylinder out. I'm gonna end up replacing the master and the slave while I'm in here. All of this is just, I can't. This is just unbelievable. So this is all gonna get repaired. I have to figure out what's going on with this evap line, but I think down there is where I'm going to have the AN line, have it changed to AN line right there up against the firewall there, where I'm not going to modify it. So I can cut those down there carefully, of course, and put AN or put fittings on to be able to adapt to AN and put caps on them for now, so that I don't have any issues before I cut that. So I'm going to order a few things tonight, overnight parts from Amazon. It's going to be great. A lot of this needs to be cleaned, obviously, and prepped. That hole will stay for the harness. That is obviously for the brake booster. I'm redoing my brake lines. Bye-bye brake booster. I don't know. I got to figure that out. This has to be done. What did I do? Oh my god. But here we did find a bunch of stuff. This is good. I found, this is for my blinkers. Everything that I need to like finish setting up my dashboard is all right here already. I stripped out a whole bunch of stuff. I don't know what this is. Oh, hazard lights. I don't know. I couldn't figure out how to get those to work. There's a couple other things in this. But anyway, this is for the dash, so that's going to be good because I have little LEDs, and I'm going to use the original three-piece gauge cluster there. I do want to put a tack in the middle, but I don't have one yet, so that'll be coming. And then this is actually all clean and all set. This is just a positive lead to the fuse panel. Obviously, I'm going to have to do a sub panel for underneath the hood for the high beam stuff right here. But yeah, we're actually in a very good place, though it's far away from where I want to be. So make sure I don't burn the car or my house down, followed by the firewall fixing. Keep fire from happening, then fix the firewall. But that's the end of this episode, I think. But either way, if it's not, take a second. Comment, like, subscribe. I appreciate it. I can't believe what I did. Ridicule me. And then subscribe. And then later on when the video comes out where I fix this, you can like that. How's that? Do that. And live long and prosper. Thank you very much.